Running, pushing, or chasing is not really to slips, trips, or falls and is not allowed for everyone's safety. Ang pagkukulitan habang naglalaro, pagtakbo, pagtutulakar, o paghahabulan na maaaring magdulot ng pagkagulas, pagkalipas, o pagkatulog na hindi pulutan para sa kalikasan ng lahat. Take care of your belongings. Please do not leave your personal belongings, such as cell phones, wallets, and bags unattended. Ang mga mahalagang gamit tulad ng cellphone,